Creating your own butterfly conservatory in your garden can be a rewarding and beautiful project. It not only provides a habitat for these delicate creatures but also adds natural beauty to your outdoor space. First of all, learn about the butterfly species native to your region and their specific habitat requirements. Choose a sunny spot in your garden that receives at least 6 to 8 hours of sunlight daily. Determine the size and design of your conservatory. It can range from a small butterfly garden bed to a larger dedicated area. Consider incorporating pathways, seating, and decorative elements. Secondly, choose native plants that attract butterflies and serve as host plants for caterpillar. Plant a variety of nectar-rich flowers to provide a continuous food source throughout the butterfly season. Include host plants for specific butterfly species. Provide shelter for butterflies with trees, shrubs, and tall grasses where they can rest during windy or rainy weather. Butterflies need water. Create shallow puddles or a small, shallow butterfly bath using a shallow dish filled with wet sand and stones. Place rocks or logs in sunny spots for butterflies to bask in the sun. Avoid using chemical pesticides and herbicides in your butterfly conservatory, as they can harm both butterflies and their host plants. Regularly water and maintain your plants. Remove dead flowers to encourage continuous blooming. Keep the area free from invasive species and weeds. Prune back overgrown plants to ensure good airflow and access to sunlight. Spend time observing the butterflies in your conservatory. Take note of the different species and their behaviors. Keep a journal or record of the butterfly species you observe, their behaviors, and any changes in your garden. Creating a butterfly conservatory in your garden is not only a way to enjoy the beauty of these insects but also contributes to their conservation by providing a safe and welcoming habitat.